Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Fusion. And this is an older smart fob that was used from 2006 to 2012 models. Okay, so you got to be able to separate this fob. You can see there's kind of a line that goes all the way around it. You got to be able to separate this into two pieces to get access to the battery that we need to change. So easiest way to do that is there's a little notch in the upper right here, right where my index finger is pointing. So if we look at it, you can see there's a little notch right there. If you can get some leverage in there and twist, so if you had a small flathead screwdriver or even another key works really well, get in there and then just twist. You can start to get some separation between the two pieces here, and just keep doing that and you'll be able to pop off this into two pieces, get access to the internal battery. And the battery you'll need is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery, and you can just tap this out. This will fall out. And so when you're replacing this, just make sure when you put the new coin battery in that the positive side is facing up towards you. The positive side has all the lettering. Place that in there, and then just make sure it kind of sits there, and then make sure this rubber piece, if this falls out, make sure you replace it in the same spot. This kind of covers and holds the battery in place. So pop this back in, snap it together, and that's it. That's how you replace the battery on an older Ford Fusion key fob. And the battery again that you'll need is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery.